closest to the billboard, so does that mean this one? Wilkes House, okay, I guessed right. Oh, there's ants in here. Or not. Oh, rip. Oh, I got the key to the shack at least. It's weird how, like, comparatively worthless the stuff in Fallout 3 is versus in New Vegas. Still no doctor's bag, so I need to get a perk or something. Oh my god, with the gnomes. I'm gonna have to drop something. I should probably drop the dirty water. I don't know why I'm even carrying that. Didn't notice that until just now. I guess let's drink some of my delicious purified water. There's nothing else in here, is there? Oh. This is actually good food. I'll gladly take all of your dad stuff. I stuttered pretty hard saying that. Sweet, okay. Is there an ant? Because the sun's kind of destroying my eyes. Alright, kid, your dad's dead.
Come on, tell me already.
I have some bad news.
Oh no. What happened?
I
guess I already knew. Besides, I'm too tired to cry anymore.
Oh, this is pretty fucking sad. What the hell? I'll stop whatever did this.
You gotta stop it, so this can't happen to anyone else's family ever again. I wished I had met you a long time ago. And then maybe my dad would still be alive. Thanks for doing all this. I'm feeling better now that you're here.
Alright, well, time to vaporize all of the ants. Find the source of the fire ants, okay. Now let's have a look at the town. I'm still on that quest, right? Remove the source. Okay, so this implies that I have to find the source of the fire ants. Shot him in the butt. Oh, this is a fire ant warrior. This might be a good enough at that moment. Yeet. Let's go again. Yeet. Yeah. Grenade was the key there. Oh, mute fruit. I should probably stop picking up this ant meat. Okay. That was a little dramatic, but it worked. Wait, it's still alive. Not anymore. Another fire ant? Oh! You little shit. Oh, this is going to be something in the metro tunnel, isn't it? Well, I guess only one way to find out. This is the part where I commit dead. Seriously. Alright, let's see what's down here. Well, I hate it already, so that's a good sign. I'd be inclined to start using my brass knuckles on these ants, but considering they're fire ants, doesn't seem like the best idea to me. Oh, I can actually pick easy locks now, which is kind of a relief. Not that I have many bobby pins to spare. I say that as I break one. Probably didn't have to take all 4 of those, but well, I have a collection of frag mines now. But yeah, it definitely looks like the ant nest is in here somewhere, which means I'm probably gonna have to fight a queen ant. Which isn't gonna be very fun. No, 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 no. Should have seen that one coming. Oh my god. I have enough ammo for this that I'm probably just gonna start using it. I saw the gas in the room, but I wasn't really thinking. Okay, 32 rifle seems to do pretty well against the ants, so let's just use that. I'm gonna guess ants are over here. That lady's dead. Ugh, the sounds of just anything moving that you can't see, it just really is not very fun. Should probably turn my light off. Oh, there's a perfectly good stairwell over there. Here we go. Ow. Yeah, that'll get him. This guy died. Grady's last recording. What, before I get eaten by ants?
If you're listening to this tape, then my brains are splattered all over a wall somewhere, and you've got a job to do. You need to retrieve the package and get it safely to Ronald Lauren and Girdershade. Tell him Grady sent you. To get the package, you'll need the key. I've stashed it inside an old fire hose case in some maintenance closet in Marigold Metro Station. The key will unlock the safe that contains the package. Look for the room marked by a spinning light. You can't miss it. Good luck. And hopefully, they won't find you too.
Interesting. So I guess I'm looking for a firebox case, which I probably walked past and didn't think to open. I'm not seeing it yet. Okay, well I guess I have to get this way now. Magnum. I hear more ants. Oh, I actually have reason to be excited for this. Oh, that's so cool. Kind of want to take the sledgehammer, but it's also very heavy. Oh, metro ticket. I don't know if I actually need that or not. No, 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 no. Oh! Probably should have just pulled out an assault rifle. Or a shotgun. Okay, that's just nothing. This room looks fun. Okay. Somehow I feel like this is a trap. Okay. So it leads to a safe marked by a spinning light. Okay. Did I just... Okay. Oh, look at this little hidden... Ow, ow, ow! I tried to throw a mine, but I failed. Have a nice day. God damn it. Ow! Fire is not friend. I thought you were dead. Ugh. I need to stop wasting my stim packs. I need something that'll actually heal me. Let's eat that and a cram. And some mute fruit. Just irradiate myself. This looks promising. Don't see any spinning lights in here. Might be time for the shotgun. Or you know what? I have ammo for this. Let's try it. What?
Well, you startled me. You really mustn't creep up on people like that.
Oh. Didn't expect to bump into.
That is precisely why this is the ideal place for my work.
Oh, this guy's really annoying.
Do you realize you're trampling about in a delicately balanced and highly sensitive experimentation area?
What do you mean?
My experiments are of a complex nature and would take a scientist to explain. Oh wait, I'm a scientist. How marvelous. My foray into reducing the girth of these insectoid creatures is of utmost importance. I intend to generationally reduce their immense stature by way of a pre-birth induced mutagen. Isn't that clever?
Can we skip the story and get to a solution?
Oh my, I suppose I do tend to ramble on about all things academic.
This guy's so annoying.
My problem right now is I can't reach my terminal to make the proper adjustments and repair the damage I've caused.
What can I do?
Since you've offered, allow me to elaborate. My portable terminal is set up in the hatchery chamber near the Ant Queen.
Oh.
If I can reach it, I can continue to work on improving the mutagen.
No.
If she were harmed in any way, months of data
I
would
do
be
not
lost.
care about your data.
Your objective would be to eliminate what I call her quintet of nest guardians. Filthy little abominations.
This will stop the fire ants?
No, it should all wrap up rather nicely. I've rigged my equipment at my portable terminal to emit what I call an inhibitor pulse. Once I send this pulse, all of the remaining ants will lose their empathic link with the queen and frenzy, destroying each other in the process. So, that's all there is to it. What do you say?
It'll stop the ants from burning the gray
You
ditch. I
will?
guess that's okay.
How marvelous! Be careful, my friend. The nest guardians can be quite tenacious.
Oh, I'm gonna die so hard.
Much.
Can I steal from this guy? Oh, thank God. This is not theft. He's giving it to me. Do you have some way of cooking the ant meat? Because I could really use an ant meat sandwich right now. For lack of a better... Doctor's bag. I'm really hoping this 44 does enough damage to actually take out one of these ants. Because if not, it's going to be a bad day. It's got a scope though, which is pretty neat. I'm also still looking for that, Oh, this looks good. Ah. Okay. Here we go. Into the death room. Oh man. Okay, it's just a nest guardian. I thought this gun was worthless. Come on. These guys drop anything good? No. It's a good quality gun. Okay.